Hi everyone, this is Mathematics B, second chapter, Translation of Accessor, day number 5. Today we are going to discuss about the important theorem. The theorem is, let us show that accessor, accessor rotated an angle theta is equal 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So as to remove xy term in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and angle pi by 4 if a is equal to b. If a is equal to b only. Now what you want here to show that the axis are rotated angle theta is equal 1 by 2 tan inverse of 3h by a minus b. So as to remove the xy term in the expansion of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and the angle pi by 4 if a is equal to b. First of all, what is given? What you want to prove here? We want to prove theta is equal 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. But given equation is, what is the given equation? Given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0. Given ax square plus bh. Now put already formula. What is the formula here? These are x, y, x dash and y dash. Already we know the concept of formulas mu and volt. Here cos minus sin and cos so on so conditions. Now what do you want here? X is equal to formula. Here volt x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Similarly, y is equal to formula x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Listen carefully all of you. What is given? Given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to, what is x equal to formula? X equal to formula x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y is equal to formula x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Substitute the total values here and remove the xy term. Remove the xy term means to remove the xy coefficient. Xy coefficient must be 0. Must be 0 only. Now put here a. What is x square value? X means here x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square plus 2h. What is x value? X value is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Next, what is the y value? Y value is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus by square. B. What is the y square value? Y square value is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Once again I will repeat here. What is the x value? X value is x dash that is most important for 4 marks. Most important. In place of x is equal to here x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. 2h. X is equal x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. What is the y value? Y value is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. What is the b as is? X dash sin theta plus y cos theta. Now split it here. A square means x square cos theta. Remove the x dash. Now b square means y square sin square theta. 2ab means 2xy sin theta into cos theta. Once again I will repeat here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here remove the x dash. Why? Because general simplification, easy simplification. X dash square means x square, cos theta means cos square theta, y square sin square theta minus 2h plus 2h into what is second part here? X into x square cos theta sin theta. Next x into this one minus xy cos square theta. First one into first one second one. Next one minus xy sin square theta plus minus y square sin theta into cos theta plus b once again x into x square cos theta sin theta, x into y xy cos square theta minus xy sin square theta minus y square cos theta sin theta. Next one a is the whole square formula. A square means here x square sin square theta, b square means y square sin square theta, 2ab means plus 2xy sin theta into cos theta is equal 0. Once again a minus b whole square formula. A square means x dash square cos theta, but to remove x dash, to remove the x dash, remove dash only, we get only normal value. Now what do you want? Now what do you want to remove x term? To remove xy term. To remove the xy term means the quotient of xy must be 0. Must be 0. The quotient of xy term must be 0. Just only our general simplification a minus the whole square, a minus b into a plus b formula, just only general multiplication. But what you want? You want xy term. So xy term means here. But the first letter, where xy, here xy is there. So quotient of xy means the quotient of xy must be 0. Means what is the quotient of xy here? First letter is a, remaining part here minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Once again, here x square, I don't want. I want only xy term. I don't want, here I don't want. Now here, plus 2h of, plus 2h of. What is xy term? Here there is no xy term. First one is no xy. What is the xy term here? There plus xy term here. xy here xy, here xy term here cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta plus last one here b. There is no xy, there is no xy, here is xy. So remaining part is 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Once again I will repeat. To observe the in first term xy quotient, in second term xy quotient, third term xy quotient. Indirectly means first bracket xy, there is only x square, I don't want, y square, I don't want, I want a xy, that's why the quotient is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Yes, first term is only x square, I don't want. Here xy means here cos square theta, here xy means here sin square theta. What is the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta? Last one I don't want. Third term here x square I don't want, y square I don't want, I want only xy means 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal 0. Now already you know trigonometric formula. What is the formula? Formula here 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos with two formulas. What the formula says? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal sin 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta. What's their formula here? Minus a into sin 2 theta plus 2h into cos 2 theta plus b into sin 2 theta is equal to any doubt? Now here times 2 sin 2 theta, here sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is a common remaining value is b minus a plus 2h into cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Now sin 2 theta into b minus a is equal minus 2h into cos 2 theta. Then minus common we get sin 2 theta into a minus b is equal to minus 2h into cos 2 theta. Why? Because here minus common, b minus a convert into the a minus b. Here plus b, here minus b. Here minus a plus a. Minus minus get cancel. Now remaining part here. Sin 2 theta into a minus b is equal to 2h into cos 2 theta. Here h not b, h. Otherwise, sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus. Already know sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Only 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. I want to only theta. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. First proof is completed. Just only general simplification here. 2 sin theta cos theta equal sin 2 theta, cos 4 theta minus sin square theta equal cos 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta equal sin 2 theta. Here sin 2 theta is sin 2 theta, common we get here b here minus a, here h into cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta into b minus a is equal to minus 2h of cos 2 theta. Here minus common we get minus of sin 2. Why? Because b minus a converted into the a minus b. Minus minus get cancelled. So remaining what? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. So tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of a minus b. In the second proof here, a is equal to b. In some situations, suppose we take a is equal to b only. Suppose here a is equal to b, given what you get, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. If a equal to b means in place of a is equal to substitute, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus a. A equal to b means b equal to a only. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of infinity. Something by equal to infinity. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of tan 90. Tan 90 value infinity. Tan get cancelled. Therefore, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 90. Therefore, theta is equal to 45. This 45 degrees means theta is equal to pi by 4. If a equal to b, then theta value is pi by 4. That is a problem. Find find the angle, find the angle, find the angle through axes are rotated, so as to remove xy term in x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the formula for limit of Dickson? Dickson formula is, solution is, what is given? Is given to remove the xy term, find the angle. Find the angle means theta is equal 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. What is the formula? Already we discussed. Theorem, proof, theta is equal 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by m. A comparison here. What is the comparison? Sir, given equation is x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus. Comparison here. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal 0. Means indirectly, what is given here? Indirectly, the quotient of x square is equal to a is equal to 1. Here xy quotient, 2h is equal to 4. Here what is the y square quotient is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Once again I will repeat here. X square quotient is 1. Here is a, so a equal to 1. Here xy quotient is 4. Here xy quotient is 2h. Once again, x square quotient here 1. X square quotient here a, so a is equal to 1. xy quotient is 4. Here xy quotient is 2h is equal to 4. Next one here, y square quotient here 1. Here y quotient is b, so indirectly b is equal to 1. Substitute the all values in given problem. What is the problem here? Problem theta is equal to, substitute here, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h value 4 by a minus b means 1 minus 1. That is equal 1 by 2 into tan inverse of infinity. That is equal 1 by 2 into tan inverse of tan 90. Tan get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 90 is equal 45 degrees is our angle. Next, note. Write a note. The point origin is shifted to the point origin is shifted to as to remove first degree terms from ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus e equal 0 is hf minus bg by ab minus x square comma gh minus af by ab minus x square. What is the formula? Once again, the previous problem is removing only xy term theta. Now we are to remove the first degree in the expansion of ax square 2hx square plus by square plus 2gh plus 2fy is equal to 0. What is the formula? hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Write a problem. Find the problem. Find to which origin is shifted to which origin is shifted to as to remove first degree terms in 4x square plus 9y square minus 8x plus 36y plus 4 equals. This problem is only for entrance 2 minutes. entrance. Now combine both same combining here. What is combining here? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus e equal 0. Comparison here. What is the a? A is equal to expression 4. What is the b? Y square is equal to b. What is the 2g? 2g is equal to 8. 2f is equal to something. C is equal to 4. Now remaining part only xy. Xy there is no xy quotient. Just only general comparison here. 4x square means here ax square means a is equal to 4 only. Okay, next. By square 9y square. B is equal to 9 only. What is that? 2g is equal to minus 4 means g is equal to minus 2. Next. 2f is equal to 36, f is equal to 18. Next one, c is equal to 4, but there is no value for xy quotient. Means here, without means in 0, indirectly this one is equal, this part is equal, 2h is equal to 0, h is equal to 5 because there is no xy quotient. It can be written as here 0 into xy is equal to 0. Indirectly, what is the 2h? 2h value is 0. Any doubt? There is no xy quotient means h is equal to 0. Substitute all values here. What is the problem here? hf minus b. What is value? 0. What is the f value? 18 by minus bg. Bg value, b value 9. G value is minus 2 by ab minus square. ab value is a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 9. Minus square value is 0 square. Next. GH minus AF. GH. G value, what is G value? G value is minus 2. H value is 0. Minus AF. Minus AF means A value is 4. What is the F value? F value is 18. By AB minus H square. What is the AB value? A value is 4. B value is 9. H square value 0 square. Now what is the answer here now? 9, 0 into 18, 0 only. 18 by 36. So first part. Second part is minus 50, 40 and 72 by 36. That is equal to 1 by 2. Next one minus 3. Answer is 1 by 2 comma 18 by 9 means minus g by a f by b. You know. Okay. Once again hf 0 minus bg means 18 to 9 to 18 by 36 only is here. Next one here g a value is 4, f value is 18 by ab minus h square. 36 2 ja here 18 1 ja 18 2 ja 1 by 2 36 1 ja 32 ja minus 2 1 by 2 comma minus 2 3 our required solution. Okay, completed.